Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind the stunning kitchens of your favorite celebrities? Today, we're revealing 10 insider tips from the most stylish celebrity kitchens. Get ready to transform your space with ideas from some of the biggest names in Hollywood. Let's dive in. Chrissy Teigen's kitchen incorporates open shelving to display her favorite items and add a personal touch. This not only makes the kitchen feel more spacious, but also adds a stylish and personalized element.
This can take such a beating. I mean, we normally have a cutting board on here that everyone sees my kids on top of.
Chrissy Teigen's and John Legend's kitchen is designed for a lively and busy household, featuring durable countertops and practical design elements. These choices ensure that the kitchen can withstand heavy use while remaining functional and stylish, making it perfect for hosting friends and family. RuPaul's kitchen is adorned with lighting fixtures inspired by vintage underwater scuba gear. These fixtures add a nostalgic and elegant touch to the space. Incorporate unique light fixtures that reflect your personal style. Vintage or themed lighting can add character and become a focal point in your kitchen. Nina Dobrev loves mixing materials in her kitchen. Mixing materials like wood, stone, and metal can create a rich, layered look. This blend of textures creates a visually interesting and functional space.
I love this fridge. It was such a big, great find for me because it's very high-tech.
Nina's kitchen also features a high-tech fridge with a floor button to open the door, making it super convenient when your hands are full. Consider smart appliances that enhance convenience and functionality in your kitchen. Are you loving these celebrity kitchen secrets? Don't forget to follow us for more amazing interior design tips and exclusive peeks into the homes of the stars. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.
This tile is actually leftover tile from the remodel of my bathroom, and it was sitting in the basement, and I was like, that would work perfectly.
Vanessa Hudgens' kitchen showcases the creative use of repurposed materials, like leftover tiles from a bathroom remodel. This approach not only adds a personal touch, but also promotes sustainability by reducing waste. Devin Booker's kitchen is designed with customized storage solutions, including pull-out shelves and built-in organizers. These features keep the kitchen organized and highly functional.
So we went with a dolomite. It's very textured. It's not smooth. It's not super polished. It's got a honed finish on top.
Nina Dobrev's kitchen incorporates textured surfaces like honed finishes on her countertops. These add a tactile element that feels more natural and inviting, enhancing the overall ambience.
All the hardware from the faucet to the knobs even, which are a little bit more modern, they're unlacquered, so with time they will age and get more beautiful.
Nina's kitchen features unlacquered brass hardware that adds a touch of timeless elegance. Over time, this hardware develops a unique patina, adding character and charm to the space. Viola Davis Julius Tennon's kitchen is designed for functionality with plenty of counter space and storage, perfect for cooking big meals and hosting family gatherings. Design your kitchen layout to maximize efficiency. Ensure ample counter space, accessible storage, and a workflow that suits your cooking and entertaining habits. Thanks for joining us on this tour of celebrity kitchen secrets. If you enjoyed these tips, you're going to love our video where we break down Vanessa Hudgens' stunning home design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible interior design inspiration. See you next time.